Hi everyone, welcome to Home Quarantine. We thought we'd make it a little bit interesting since everyone's at home to give you a few tips and tricks in the meat and seafood industry. A question we get asked a lot is how to defrost meat, okay? Especially if you've got a big guy like this or something small like a couple of steaks, okay? So what's the best way to do it? Now there's a couple of different ways, but the best way is definitely in the fridge overnight. Okay, the reason why is because all meat has active bacteria in the meat still when it's frozen, and that bacteria becomes alive when you defrost the meat. Now, if you defrost the meat out in the sun, on the kitchen bench, in some hot water, that bacteria is going to become alive much faster and grow much faster. Okay, so the meat will go off much faster. So if you put it in the fridge overnight, it should defrost in the morning. This big guy might need a little bit longer. Then in the morning it should be good to cook. If it's an emergency and you want to eat this piece of steak at lunchtime today and you need to defrost it quickly, the next best method is to put it in some cold water. So put it in the sink, fill the sink with cold water, and then leave it there for probably about an hour, and it should be defrosted. The worst thing you could do with meat or seafood is to put it in a microwave and put it on heat. So that heat will activate the bacteria and it'll go bad. It's terrible. Okay, so we don't want you to get sick, so we want you to defrost your meat correctly. If you want any more tips and tricks on the meat and seafood industry, let us know in the comments and we'll do some more videos. Have a good day.